It's yours again here, and I'm gonna show you this iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue and Gold today. I'm gonna do unboxing videos and I'm gonna talk about its processor, new features, new cameras, and much more. Let's start. This is the new smaller iPhone box everybody's talking about. That also other iPhones will start shipping with. And we might as well get inside and see why it's the smaller iPhone box ever. Let's start with the iPhone 12 Pro Gold. Mini box might be smaller and Pro Max box might be a little bit bigger. Right away, that is the iPhone 12 Pro Gold, so shiny. We might as well get to that plastic peel. It's pretty simple this time. It comes with one charger cable, no wall brick, and no headphones. User menu cards, just one Apple sticker, just phone and a cable in a box basically. Alright, let's take a look at iPhone 12 Pro Pacific Blue. Same exact size phone and same exact size box, just all black now. Once you get inside, phone is right on the top and the contents of the box are in fact the same. No special fancy colored stickers for the Pro or anything. Just a phone and a cable, and that's the unboxing for iPhone. So as you knew, there's no charging brick and headphones in the box anymore. Apple's defense of it is its environmental benefit, meaning they won't have to ship all these chargers and headphones that are just going to end up in landfills. Anyway, because people already own charging bricks. But the thing is, the wall brick that they are talking about, that they have been shipping with the iPhone since the beginning of time, that everybody has already the USB-A wall brick and they are shipping USB-C cable with the iPhone 12. The only people that have a USB-C wall brick who bought the iPhone 11 or latest, iPads or MacBooks. So most iPhone 12 buyers that only have the USB-A wall brick will have to also go out and buy a wall brick. The ironic thing is that wall brick is coming with another box. I can honestly say that I am a fan of the updated design. They look and feel great to me. It's really solid and I gotta say that it's a little bit heavy.